Hello. How do we protect data from users who don't know what they're doing, or perhaps somebody malicious? Well, in Excel it's quite a complicated procedure to do certain things with cell protection, but we can at least protect our data, which is something. It's a feature that's been around for years and it can be a bit fiddly, but let's have a go. First of all, here I have a worksheet, sheet 1. I can protect that sheet by a simple password. I click Protect Sheet, just type in a password, it can be whatever you like. Don't forget it though, because although these applications don't have the highest level of security, you'd still have to find some sort of password cracker if you forgot, and that's hassle that you don't really need. I know the sheet's protected because here it says Unprotect Sheet. Okay, I can't do anything. But if I want a user to enter data, or if I want somebody to interact with this spreadsheet, frankly, that's as much use as a chocolate teapot. So I'm going to unprotect the sheet and show you a better way. By the way, you can protect the whole thing, so all the sheets, the whole workbook, by clicking on this feature here, and you enter a password. But I'm not going to do that. I am interested in making this sheet usable but protected. Now the secret to changing some data on here and protecting the rest is called Allow Edit Ranges. So let's use that. There's one that I made earlier. Get rid of that. Go to New Range. I'm going to call it Price _entry, no spaces please. And which cell do I want to protect? Well, I click on this arrow here and I choose, and I'm going to choose cell D3. Click on that again, and arrange password. Well, okay, if I must, I will put in a simple password here and click OK. I'll put it in again. I apply that. That should protect this cell here, D3, with a password. I protect the sheet, as I was doing earlier. Yes, you have to put it in twice. Told you it was fiddly. Okay, so how am I doing on this sheet? Can't edit there, can't edit there, can't edit there. Can I edit in here? Oh, I can, but we did just set up a password for the user. But now that I've entered it, there we go. I can edit that cell, but the rest is protected. Now that's a useful feature, but the password is a little bit of a pain. So in another video, I will show you how to solve that.